Welcome to Claude Code Mastery, Module 2, Lesson 2.1, Deliberate Context Management. If Claude sometimes seems to forget instructions, this video provides the core commands to control your session and own your token budget. The naive approach leads to 3 failure modes: instinctual guessing, silent quality degradation from copy-pasting, and team-scale reproducibility issues. A session starts with only the system prompt and Claude.md. Everything else is invisible until explicitly added. Run/status immediately to see your baseline of roughly 1,847 tokens. Claude Code's context has 3 layers: persistent Claude.md, ephemeral/add files, and conversation history. The ephemeral layer is a snapshot taken when /add is invoked and is destroyed at session end. Importantly, always manage your token budget, treating the 200,000 gross window as approximately 187,712 effective tokens. Aim to keep loaded file content below the 60% ceiling, or about 112,000 tokens. The context architecture shows that /add files flow from disk into an in-memory context map. This map, along with your conversation history, is sent with every API call. Remember, /add resolves paths relative to the process start location, not the current shell directory inside the session. Use repo root relative paths to avoid errors. The file context lifecycle defines 4 states: untracked, in context, stale, and removed. Files become stale if modified on disk after being added. If a diff applies cleanly in your editor but git apply fails with a context lines don't match error, your snapshot is stale. Fix this by manually running /remove, followed by /add to refresh the snapshot. The disciplined workflow involves running /status to establish a mandatory baseline, using /add deliberately with exact file paths, and performing a budget audit before any generation task. Keep your loaded context under the 60% rule. If files become stale mid-session, manually run /remove then /add for a fresh disk read. Be aware of 4 failure modes. Silent context overflow occurs when early file contents are truncated. Stale snapshots lead to incorrect diffs. Token count can be underestimated by 5 to 15%. Finally, ANSI bleed in piped output requires stripping escape codes for programmatic use. Maintain discipline to avoid these issues. Follow 3 mandatory /status checkpoints at session start, after all /add operations, and after 6 or more turns. The 60% ceiling reserves room for about 8 to 12 turns of conversation. Log every session to project cost. For CI pipelines, use a cost guard to prevent accidental runaway spending from incorrect globs. Standardize your team by defining context profiles in Claude.md. These profiles are named lists of files for common tasks, like API change or DB migration. Include pre-calculated token estimates in comments. This reduces guesswork and ensures reproducible sessions across the team. The key lesson is that context is a discipline, not merely a setting. Context profiles become self-documenting architecture for new engineers. Experienced engineers treat the token budget as a resource constraint, like RAM. Logging context state alongside diffs enables audit and systematic improvement. To summarize, always run /status at session start, keep loaded content below 60%, and manage staleness manually with /remove and add. Remember, paths resolve from process start, and you should define context profiles in Claude.md with token estimates for standardization. The full lesson and sample project scripts are available at SystemDR.com. For homework, build context profiles for your team's primary repository, get real token estimates, and verify the baseline. Next, we cover @file mentions and glob patterns.